Good evening, sir. I'm Bhavana from third year CSCD. Today I'm going to explain about servlet program. Actually, servlet is a Java program that particularly runs on the servlet. It has two types, generic servlet and HTTP servlet. Whereas coming to the program, the import statements are essential because they bring the Java program. The classes and interfaces need to the handle input output process like HTTP. Import Java IO. It is used in the servlet because we are using print writer class, which is part of the package. Whenever you want to read from or write the streams, files, or the other data sources, you use these classes of this package. H import Java servlet is used for servlet exception classes from this package. This is used to handle the problems that occur while running the servlet. It helps to define the servlet should behave and how to handle the errors. Import Java Servlet HTTP is used in for all classes and interfaces from the Java X Servlet HTTP package. We are using HTTP Servlet request and Servlet response from this package. This package is specially for working with HTTP protocol, which is how web browsers servers communicate. Whereas coming to the public class demo servlet, it it is used to define the class named as the demo servlet. It extends the HTTP servlet that inherits the functionality on the HTTP servlet. By extending the HTTP servlet, this class becomes a servlet that can handle HTTP requests. We can we can we don't want to build everything from the scratch. We are using an existing framework, that is HTTP servlet. Public void do get HTTP servlet request. That means the method do get is automatically called when someone sends an HTTP get request to the servlet. The request holds the information from the client, and it sends data back to the client. The method throws the servlet exception, IO exception. If any error occurs, we can throw one more than one because it can handle multi exceptions. It requires the web browsers or the handled by this methods. Whenever we use URL or submit form, this method is triggered. Next, resource set request set content type text HTML. It used to respond the HTML content. The browser know what type of data is receiving. If you only send the plain text specifying the HTML, it ensures treated correctly by the browser. This print writer statement is used to create print objects that lets you send text output to the client. And without it, we cannot send the welcome message back to the browser. It's like opening a pen, and it's like opening to write the response, and the server sends to the user. The string name request get parameter name is used to read the parameter call name from the request. It is retrieve the user input that was sent from the form. If the user types someone in form, this fetches someone, so you can use it. This print ln welcome plus name is used to write the messages welcome followed by the value of name, etc. We can insert anything in place of the name. It is needed to that see the screen when they submit the form. This program is run in the Tomcat in a web server using the servlet web XML HTML file and in the Tomcat. Thank you, sir.